Dear students, today's class we are going to learn how to write reading comprehension. Yes, if you see your book, if you check your question paper, there will be a comprehension, right? Some students you are getting full marks in all the questions, but others you may feel very difficult to answer, right? So this class I am going to give you some easy tips to write the passage. See, reading comprehension requires the reader to understand a certain part of a passage or a paragraph. It is like a paragraph, okay? The passage, it is like a paragraph or a passage. The main purpose of comprehension reading is to understand the meaning. While you are reading that passage, you have to understand the meaning of the passage and try to answer the comprehension questions. And you are able to answer the given questions. See how to answer comprehension questions effectively. When attempting comprehension questions, it is very important to take time and read the passage carefully. While you are reading the paragraph or a passage, you have to take more time and read the paragraph carefully. It is a very essential step. It is a very important step that you need to follow. Right, children? See, I have given 5 strategies. The first one, reading with a purpose. Reading with a purpose. Second, learning vocabulary. Second one, learning vocabulary. Third one, retelling what has been read. Third one, retelling what has been read. Fourth one, asking and answering questions. Asking and answering questions. And the last one, summarizing the important fact. Summarizing the important fact. Okay, children? See, reading is important because words are the building blocks of life. You have to improve your reading skill. Then you may learn more vocabularies. Right, children? See, this is the first passage given. You can read and understand. There was a tiny squirrel. Okay, once there was a tiny squirrel. Tiny means it is very small in size. So, once there was a tiny squirrel. It was climbing a mountain. It was climbing a high mountain. One day, what he did? It was climbing a high mountain. Who? The squirrel. See, a foolish tortoise was following her. So, another person, who is that? A tortoise. So, the tortoise was following the squirrel. So, now the tortoise and the squirrel both are climbing a high mountain. There was a hard shell on his back. So, who has a hard shell? The tortoise, right? So, while they were climbing a high mountain, suddenly there was a strong wind began to blow. Okay, while they were climbing a mountain, there was suddenly a strong wind start to blow. So, what happened? The squirrel ran fast. So, who started running? The squirrel ran fast. But the tortoise couldn't run fast. Why? What is the reason, children? Because it was heavy in size. So, he couldn't run fast. So, he became very sad. Right, children? See, based on that passage, I have given you 4 questions. The first one, who was climbing a high mountain? You know very well, the answer is the squirrel. Second one, what was the foolish tortoise doing? Second one, what the foolish tortoise did? It follows the squirrel, right? Second, who had a hard shell? You know meaning, you know the answer, the tortoise. And the fourth one, why was the tortoise sad? Because he couldn't run fast. Right, children? Like I have given you second passage. You can read, understand and answer the question. Hardik lives in a big city. He is a tailor. He is a very poor man, so he is not able to get enough food for his family. He has a wife and a small son. His son, Anil, is very naughty and a lazy boy. He never listens or obeys his parents. He plays in the streets with the other naughty boys. One day, his father takes him to school. There, he sees many children who obey their teachers. They learn many good habits in the school. They also read and write well. Anil feels sorry and starts changing himself. His parents are very happy now. Okay, children. So, second passage, you can read, understand and you can answer the following question. The first one, where does Hardik live? Second, what is the name of Hardik's son? Third question, where does his father take him one day? Thank you, children.